Greetings of peace, everyone. In this lecture discussion, I am going to orient you of the modality or the mode of learning that will be implemented in SLTCFPI for first semester academic year 2021-2022. Despite this pandemic, we are still aiming for quality education. From the past semester, majority of students decided to take modular mode of learning wherein they receive printed modules from the school and return it afterwards. There is no assurance for learning because some students are making other persons accomplish their modules. This semester, the school decided to prevent students from choosing this platform and will adopt a much safer and easier way. Since the school is going to adopt flexible mode of learning, let us know first what is this mode of learning. So according to tofat.com, flexible mode of learning is a method of learning where students are given freedom in how, what, when, and where they learn. So therefore, learners are the basic consideration of this flexible mode of learning. But since we are experiencing COVID-19 pandemic, distance learning should be considered. But don't worry because the school will adapt platforms that will promote safety for all without compromising learning. Let us just imagine that mode of learning is divided into two basic divisions, namely online and offline mode of learning. When we say online, it uses internet. Offline does not use internet. And online and offline mode of learning could be assumed as synchronous or asynchronous. When we say synchronous, the teacher and the students are sharing the same time. For example, is Google Meeting. When we say asynchronous, the students have the capacity to handle their own time. Let us start first with online synchronous mode of learning. An example of this is Google Meet or Google Meeting, which the SLTCFPI is going to use this semester. In Google Meetings, online attendance is a must, except for those students with special cases. Next, online asynchronous mode of learning. An example of this is the use of Google Classroom, which will be implemented also this semester. Another example of online asynchronous mode of learning is recorded video discussion or video discussions using OBS to be posted in the FB closed group, which will also be implemented this semester. And for this, online attendance is a must. Next, we proceed with offline synchronous. An example of offline synchronous mode of learning is face-to-face classes, which is very impossible as of now. Next, offline asynchronous mode of learning. Example, modules to be received in the school, printed modules. We are going to avoid implementing this first semester academic year 2021-2022. We are going to use these modules or learning activity sheets to be posted in the Google Classroom or FB closed group, wherein students will download and print it. And they are not going to require themselves to go physically in the school, to be implemented this semester. So summarizing the platforms to be implemented this first semester academic year 2021-2022. First, we are going to use Google Meet, example of online synchronous mode of learning, Google Classroom, online asynchronous mode of learning, recorded video discussions, TV-based or radio-based video discussions using OBS to be posted in the FB closed group, an example of online asynchronous mode of learning, modules to be posted in Google Classroom or FB closed group to be accomplished by students, an example of offline asynchronous mode of learning. Take note that enrolling in SLTCFPI means that you are prepared to meet the standards of the new normal education setting. Let us help each other. Thank you so much.